The water service panel is located on the left side of the aft fuselage. Electricity must be supplied to the panel. Use ground power and turn on the maintenance bus, Maint Bus On switch. When the service panel is opened, the light on the fill gauge indicates that the panel has power. Also on the panel are the fill and drain port and the control handle. To fill the water system, connect the fill hose to the port. Turn the control handle counterclockwise to the fill position and pull out on the handle. Turn on the water pump on the truck. The quantity gauge will show when the system is taking on water. When the tank is full, the full light comes on. The control handle returns to the normal position by itself. Turn off the pump on the truck. Disconnect the hose. Before closing the door, clean and dry the service panel and check for leaks. Then, close the access door.